Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below and follow and subscribe. Guys, also like and share my video. Share my video to your loved ones. Follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. Okay, 3 to 5 working days. Your goods will get to you at your doorstep. Whether you're buying product from 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐾, whether you're not buying from 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐾, let 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐾 ship for you. We don't just ship, we ship and we follow up. We are the number one, the champion. Okay, and also you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our skincare product is there. Our Arabian fairness whitening set is on the website. Our 𝐂𝐓𝐾, our Snow White, our all of our products is there. Our instant white porcelain is on the website. Okay, yes, we are doing 50% sales on our Arabian fairness whitening set and also our over white whitening shower gel. You can go to the website and shop on that. The prices has been slashed down. Okay, go there and shop and thank Mommy Kira. We also sell original branded product. Over the counter product we sell, it is on the website, original. Okay, yes, and also like and share my video, please guys. Like and share my video. If you don't know how to shop on the website, send me a short message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Asking Mommy Kira to send you a short video on how to shop on my website properly. How to shop on my website is very easy. It's very easy. Okay, just send me a message. I'm going to send you a video on how you can shop on the website. It's very easy. Then you asking me of price, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? I might not have that time. Go to the website. All prices are on the website. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Okay, today I'll be showing you guys how to make this Arabian fairness strong whitening face cream. This whitening face cream will give up to 15 shades. It will clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation out of your face. Okay, it will give you a uniform face. If you have a minor sunburn on your face, this Arabian fairness whitening face cream will clear it. Okay, go to the website. Okay, we started our promo on the 22nd of November to end of December. Hurry up and go to the website and start placing your order. Our Arabian fairness whitening set, our over white strong whitening shower gel is on promo. These two products I just called is on promo. Please go and start shopping. The price is splashed down. Okay, hurry up, just go there and start rushing it, start packing it, because it's super strong and effective. You guys know Mommy Kira, I'm the number one, the champion. You guys know that what I produce I dey produce am well. I don't just produce, I produce very well. It's my job. Okay, if you guys want me to produce wholesale deal for you guys, chat me up. Don't chat Mommy Kira up. Mommy Kira will produce for you. Tell me what you want, I will produce for you. Tell me how your customer wants it. If it's stronger, whitening, or glowing, or caramel, let Mommy Kira know. I will produce for you. As long as you have the money for that, for skincare business, chat Mommy Kira. I'm going to produce for you. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Okay, this is our 2-shade whitening base. This is already activated. Okay, if you want to get this base, you can go to the website. Just type 2-shade base cream. This one is not those normal base cream. This one is already activated. You know Mommy Kira, and I'm the number one, the champion. Now my work be this. This is my work. I do it for a living with ease. You understand me? Go to the website and get. I think on the website is we have 5 kg and 1 liter. You can buy any size of your choice. Okay, the 2-shade whitening base. This is not normal base cream. Okay, and this is 2 kg. This is 2 kg. Okay, I'm going to add our active. Look at it. This is our active. This is our active. Okay, this is our active, avoiding miss it. This is our strong whitening active. This is the cocoa of this production. If you don't want to white, don't use this face cream. This face cream will whiten your face. It will clear dark spot out. Okay, I don't want this video to be long, that's why I'll be very fast. It will clear dark spot out. Okay, if you have dark spots, sunburn, okay, it will clear it off. This is 15 shade whitening. Okay, this is also our active. Okay, yes. If you don't want your face to whiten, don't go close to this face cream. This face cream is 15 shade. Okay, this is 15 shade. When I'm done producing this face cream, you understand. If you want me to produce it in big form, you want to resell it for your customers, please chat Mommy Kira up. Okay, serious buyer, please. Well, you can go to the website because this Arabian Fairness is on promo right now. That's why I'm showing you guys how I produce it. It's on promo. Go to the website, you will see everything is there. Okay, look at it. We're putting 5 okay, we're putting 5. My hand is slippery, you understand, because of the glove. Okay, yes, this is the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. We're putting 5. Like I normally say, this product has really helped the game of my production. Since last year December, I've been using this Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. My skincare business. Hello beautiful, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number 1, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125. And my skincare game has really changed. You know, Mommy Kira, I don't lie. I know they fake them. I don't fake it. I say it the way it is. Yeah, I'm the queen of promising. That is why we normally test run a lot of products. Go and check my previous video of like 3-4 years ago, 5 years. You see that my pattern of producing has really changed, because when you start using a product that is working, why will you go and start using different type of concentrate, serum, and oil? You understand? Because sometimes you might add this serum, add this one, add, example, you add Glutathione, add skin free milk, add double gluta, add this one, add like 4 serum or concentrate inside one production. Sometimes your customer will be having white dot and white patches because of chemical reaction, or sometimes because of skin differs. You know, skin differs, you understand me? There are some skins that are sensitive, normal skin, they have different type of skin tone. That is why normally it's good for you to use like 1 product that you can use, or 2 products that you can use, not buying using different type. And since I started using Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, and Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, my dear, my production since last year has really changed. It work like fast. Up to, if you are fair in complexion, you use my product, you will be white. You understand me? Mommy Kira production has really changed. Go to my Instagram at Kirasecret Skincare and see what I produce. I produce for a living, guys. If you want to do business, chat Mommy Kira up. If you have money, chat Mommy Kira up. Let's do business. Okay, I'll be using 5. You understand me? Normally, I like using the measurement, that 500 ml. If you are a big producer, don't buy all these bottles. If you are big producers, don't buy all these small bottles. Go and buy either 500 ml, 1 liter, 2.5, 5 liters. Use and take produce. Like it's up, like me, why I'm using this one, just because a lot of people have been saying, Mommy Kira, you like using 1 liter, 1 liter. Use this bottle for us, okay? You understand me? That's how I'm just showing. I don't normally use this small one, but if you are reselling, it's good for you to buy this. Buy this, buy and resell. Sell to your customers. They will come back. You understand me? Stock this in your store. The Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it in your counter and start selling. Your customer, when they use it, they mix it inside their cream. Any of them that is producing and saying, I've bought this lotion, it no work for me. You understand me? And I don't want to throw away the lotion. Just give them Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Tell them to mix it in that their lotion that they bought that is not working. People are even buying Nivea Nivea lotion. They will add Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil inside. If they work. See, if you are into skincare production, don't bother yourself buying all these plenty things. Go and buy this and miss it. Come and thank Mommy Kira. Most of these our subscribers, when you give them updates, they will not tell you how it's going. It's only few. Some of them will come and say, Mommy Kira, thank you. You gave us good updates. Thank you, ma. You understand me? Some will come and thank me and say, the customer is coming. Thank you, Mommy Kira. God bless you. Should you understand me? Some people, instead of them to buy from Mommy Kira, they will go and buy from the distributor. The price the distributor is giving you is what Mommy Kira is giving you. That's your family. I love you guys so much. This concentrate really works very well. It clears dark spot. It whitens the skin. You can't put it on your skin like that too. You must mix it inside your skincare production. I hope you guys understand. You can see the way I'm doing. Some people will say, Mommy Kira, you know how to explain very well. Yes, I'm explaining, so there will be no mistake. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Yes, okay. Look at this. This is the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This oil is amazing. This oil. This oil is very strong. Don't put it on your skin like that. Put it inside your production. You will come and thank Mommy Kira. If you are a big producer, you don't need to buy in small, but only when you are reselling or you just want to do small production. If you have money, buy in liters, buy big and produce. You will come back. All those your customers will come back and thank you. This clears dark spots. It whitens the skin. It clears blemishes. This is super amazing. Look at it. It's super whitening. It's very, very strong. Very, very strong whitening. Okay. This Arabian Fairness Whitening face cream is amazing. I'm going to still blend it at the end. I'm going to stick blend it, okay? All right, this is my mix. This is my powder mix. You can add any powder of your choice, okay? Okay, see what I'm putting here is all these things are very good. Okay, okay. I'm going to stick blend it. Guys, if you don't want to white this face cream, if you don't want to white, no buy am. But if you want to white, this is an opportunity. Okay, this is a very strong opportunity. We're on promo. The promo starts on the 22nd of November to end on. Please you have to whiten your face, your body. You understand me? The set is on the website. You can see I've not even stick blended to see now. Look at Mommy Kira. I'm the number one, the champion. I'm coming. Let me wash my stick blend to stick blend it so that you guys can see it. Okay, I love you guys so much. Yeah, and lest I forget, you put this Roshu collagen oil. This oil is amazing. This collagen oil is very, very good and very, very effective. Look at it. This face cream will also help the face if you have premature wrinkle and all that. It will clear it. You can see it. Good. I love you guys so much. Please hurry up and go to the website and start placing your order. Hurry up and go to the website and start placing your order. Guys, you can see the face cream. This Arabian Fairness Strong Whitening Face Cream. This face cream gives up to 15 shades. Whether you want to whiten your face, if you are fair in complexion, it will work faster on your face. But when you are caramel, it will work very well also. Okay, you can buy in liters. If you want to resell, chat Mommy Kira up. We are on our 50% promo on all Arabian Fairness whitening products. Okay, go to my website now and place your order. Okay, from on the 22nd of November till on the okay. You need to whiten up your skin. You need to shine because we are already in season. Your skin needs to pop out very well. Okay, I love you guys so much. You now see the face. You can see how the face cream is now. See this. See now. See how yummy this face cream is. This Arabian Fairness Strong Whitening Face Cream. I love you guys so much. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share my video. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye bye.